alert storms, manual triggers, and scattered tools. Every error treated the same, no intelligence, just noise. What if your backend could think for itself? I am Atharva and I have built AutoFlow, an autonomous event driven orchestrator powered entirely by Moshia. So, to know more about our system, let us go on the system info and check more about our website. So, yeah, this is the about page of the AutoFlow. AutoFlow uses the Moshia's unified runtime to orchestrate intelligence, incident response, and and elite the durable steps for event injection to AI, classified today to classification to policy, enforcement to the human approvals. Each step is isolated, observable, and reasonable. Built on Moshia's primitive steps, workflow, events, background jobs, and scheduled tasks. Let me show you how it works. So yeah, let us come on the dashboard and inject event form and just trigger flow. So once we trigger the flow, we are able to see on the browser the kernel logs, how the events are injected and how the AI classifies, takes action, and in terminal we can see in detail. So like here, this is the step one, ingest event. Then the AI classifies whether and then AI decides an action. If the priority is high, then it takes the human in loop. So as here we can see there is no any critical, so AI decides to auto fix and then executes the action and verify outcome and schedule follow up. So it also generates the summary of the project. And if it may happen that the API keys, the credits are finished in case uh, all the architecture remains same, just the it is API credit. If it's overflow, then it stops working. For that we can do it by extending our credit limits, or we can also use a mock data to just show a prototype. So now I have injected one critical issue. So we can see it asks for the human approval here. So yeah, here the banner appears and it asks for human approval, and then it follows the loop for critical actions. And yes, here in terminal also it shows the approval generated by the UI operator. So, coming on towards the conclusion, I would like to say AutoFlow demonstrates how AI can move beyond suggestion into responsible action, combining autonomous decision making, policy enforcement, and human oversights to make backend system truly self operating and production ready. So yeah, I couldn't deploy it, but I will be sharing the GitHub repo for this. Thank you.